Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to go ahead and add your Gmail contacts to your phone. First, go to your settings, right here, scroll all the way down, click on Google, okay? Choose the Gmail account you want to use to get the contacts from. I'll use this one right here. And all you need to do, guys, is come here and click on all services, okay? Scroll down and you will see this option right here that basically says Google Contacts Sync. Click on this option. As you can see, sync is currently off. So what I'll do, I'll click on status. I'll toggle this one on and I'll refresh this. As you can see, 4 contacts have been synced now. Okay, 4 seconds ago. And I can also click on this, toggle this one on to automatically back up and sync the device contacts. Okay, you can choose this one as well, whatever email you want to sync it to. So if I add a new contacts, it will go ahead and do that. And as you can see, my contacts will increase. Really that easy and simple.